This is the story of the three little pigs. Once upon a time there were three little pigs who lived with their mother. One day their mother said to them, "You have all grown very big now. I think it's time that you went and built your own houses." The three little pigs were a little bit sad to leave their mother, but they waved goodbye to her and off they set down the lane. Along the way, the first little pig met a farmer carrying a bundle of straw. "Excuse me, please," said the first little pig. "Can I have some of your straw so that I can build myself a house?" The farmer said, "Yes, you can." So, the first little pig set about building a beautiful house for himself. "Now I'll be nice and safe," he said, from that big bad wolf. The second little pig walked along the road and he met a woodcutter carrying a bundle of sticks. He thought it would be a good idea to build his house. So he said to the woodcutter, "Excuse me, please, woodcutter. May I have some of your sticks so I can build a house for myself?" The woodcutter was very kind and he gave the second little pig a huge bundle of sticks to build his house. The second little pig worked so hard building his house of sticks. "Now I will be safe from that big bad wolf," he said, and he went inside his house. The third little pig walked along the road and he met a builder carrying lots of bricks. And he thought, they look good to build a house. I might go and ask the builder if I can have some of them. So he walked along and he said, "Excuse me, can I have some of your bricks so I can build myself a house?" The builder was very kind and he said, "Of course you can." The third little pig set about building his house from bricks. It was very big and very strong. "Now I will be safe," he said, from that big bad wolf, and he went inside. Early the next morning, there was a knock at the door where the first little pig lived. Little pig, let me come in." The little pig was very, very scared. "Oh no, not by the hairs on my chinny chin. I will not let you in." "Then I will huff, and I will puff, and I will blow your house down," said the wolf. And that's what he did. He huffed and he puffed and he blew the first little pig's house down. The little pig ran out of his house of straw along to the second little pig's house. The wolf hurried along and he knocked at the door where the second little pig lived. Little pigs, let me come in." The second little pig said, No, not by the hairs on my chinny chin. I will not let you in." And the wolf said, "Then I will huff and I will puff, and I will blow your house down. And that's what he did. He huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the second little pig's house down. The second little pig ran as fast as he could with his brother, and the both of them went to the third little pig's house, where the three of them were very scared. The wolf knocked on the door. Little pigs, let me come in. The pigs said, No, not by the hairs on our chinny chin chin. We will not let you in. Well, the wolf said, Then I will huff, and I will puff, and I will blow your house down. He got ready. He huffed, and he puffed, and he